Today we're going to be taking apart the keyboard. Let's go. Hey guys, today we'll be taking apart this keyboard and we're going to see how it goes. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I am going to quickly undo all of the screws, and then after this we'll put it back together and stuff like that. And guys, while I'm taking apart the screws, I'm going to tell you about the giveaway that we're doing on the channel. If you have not heard, at 500 subscribers I'm going to be giving away a laptop. What will happen is the person who wins will come on with me and will help me fix it up, because what I'll be doing is I'll go and pick out a used laptop, like a gaming laptop or something of that sort, and then that person will come on with me and fix it up. So if you want a free laptop, subscribe. You'll use screws. And guys, I've also made a new website. I have not released it yet, it's in beta right now. I was still not release it actually at all, it's still in the making. But yeah, so at 500 subscribers a laptop will be released. I was thinking at 1,000 I'm gonna make merchandise, I don't know. So I can sell on my website, because I am able to do that. And shout out to Wix. I use Wix.com to make my website. Okay, so I've got two more. Whoa. This is a really tight one. Okay. So go check out Wix.com, guys. It's really cool to use it. I've had some really good experience with that. And yeah. Okay, so last screw underneath here. I'm not going to be using this keyboard. It's like really old. Because this keyboard, what you've seen this keyboard in the 5 new versus old items. Okay. So I should be able to lift. I'm going to do it the other way because it's going to come right off. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to lift this. Okay. Ooh, okay, that's pretty interesting. Look at that. So you see it all holds it. So you got the 3 lights here, which is this. Guys, if you haven't realized, we are back. This is the exact. Oh, look at that, that's broken. Came off here. If you haven't realized, this is the exact location where we recorded the 5 new versus all items, and this is in Howick. So, ooh, it's really interesting. Look, you can literally just unplug this. Look at that. And now it's unplugged from. So if you really want to, you can literally take this and then swap it out the cable for it. Well, if you know how to do it, you can swap it out, and then so there's all the little sensors. I'm not gonna really break those. Look how dirty this is. Yeah, I'm gonna quickly take this and I'm gonna shake it. Get all the dirt off there, you know. Oh, look, there we go. Okay, and then luckily it's got these little holes where I can put it back into. So I'm recording this with the Vibe, the Garmin Vibe. I think I uploaded about that. I'm sure I definitely uploaded about that already. And look, you can even see it. So it's num lock, caps lock, and scroll lock. It even says there. It says scroll lock. I think the camera can see that. Well, there's a little word underneath the thing. It says scroll lock. There's caps and num. Okay. Those are 3 things. And yeah, it's very basic. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to quickly put this keyboard back on. Wait. Yeah. I'm going to do this. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to quickly put that there in. Those are on nice. Okay. So there we go. So I'm going to quickly turn around and put it back together. Okay, as you can see that I have now flipped it around. So I'm moving now, I'm going to put all these screws back inside. So I'm going to put this one there. Look at the screen just to see how quickly slip what it all counted for. So guys, like I was saying, at 1,000 subscribers I'll be having merchandise. And when I was thinking 5,000 subscribers, I'm gonna give away a whole gaming set, like keyboard, monitor, everything, and it'll be just for 5,000 subscribers. That's a long way to go. And guess what, guys? Recently, I went on and I saw that my channel was on 570 views. Well, that's when the recording of this video was taking place. Saturday right now, and then I will go home. I'm not at home, this is how I live. I don't know if it is too popular. So guys, like, subscribe, and as soon as my new website's out, I'll tell you, and yeah, you can just go check it out. I think it's really good. I spent about 6 hours or so creating that website. It took a long time. So we literally took apart this whole thing. So yeah. And don't forget to subscribe, obviously, even though I just said that, but I'm telling you again, because if you want a new laptop at 500 subscribers, someone's getting one. So, have a safe and fantastic rest of your day.